Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be about the flying motor. That's right, the flying motor. So, about a month ago, I had a customer call me from Georgia, somewhere up near Atlanta, that wanted me to do a restore for him. A gentleman named Tim from Georgia, and he told me he was going to fly the motor down to me to bring it to me. So I said, "You mean you're going to put it on an airplane and you're going to send it by?" He said, "No, I'm going to fly my plane down and deliver that motor to you." I said, "Tim, you have a plane?" He said, "I have several planes." And he said, "I want to fly it down to you." So today is the day. He's leaving Georgia in his plane with his 9.5 Johnson outboard motor and flying it down to T-Mike's shop. So I'm going to document. I'm meeting him at the airport. It's too much trouble to fly to a main airport to get that motor through customs and security. So he's going to the parish airport at St. Landry Parish in Opelousas, Louisiana. He's going to be here about noon. So I'm headed out that way now to meet him, and I'm going to shoot some video of him. He's agreed to get some video of him taking it off his plane. So if everybody's ready, let's see how this works out. All right, so here we go. Here I am at the St. Landry Parish Airport, waiting on Tim to land. I don't see his plane out on the runway. Let's go see if we can find him. Here's Tim coming in. The motor has arrived. Fresh in from Atlanta, Georgia.
Mikey, we made it!
Yay! Right on time. It must be Tim.
Yeah, I'm Tim.
Hey, Tim.
That's my pilot, Oren.
How you
All
doing?
right, how are you, Mike?
Good.
Good.
Oren got you here safe?
Yeah, he got me here safe. We're gonna run to...
Let's see how the motor made the trip. Oh, there she is. That's very cool.
Yeah.
The flying motor has arrived.
That's it.
Yeah, you drop her on the tarmac there, and I'll carry her.
Okay, I'm just gonna... Easy.
It's got a handle on it. If you there,
Yeah,
you go.
I got the handle.
You got the handle. There you go. Perfect. Perfect.
Yep.
Safe and sound.
There it is.
All right.
Um,
Here we are It's St. Landry Parish, Opelousas Airstrip. Oren and Tim and T-Mike here with the flying motor has arrived, safe and sound. Stay tuned for more. So we left the Opelousas Airport and headed to Boudreaux, and I took Tim and Oren to Poche's Meat Market, local awesome seafood and meat place here in Boudreaux, Louisiana. And we bought us each a plate lunch and headed back to the man cave at T-Mike's house and had lunch before we started talking outboard motors. All right, so we made a quick stop at Poche's, got some lunches to go. These Georgia people never had boudin. We got Cajun boudin, crawfish etouffee, fresh sausage, some brisket or some beef in there, so it's all good. We're chowing down.
Yum yum.
The motor made it here. We're checking it out. I think it's probably going to be a 10. Got some idling trouble with it and got a knob missing, and I believe the fuel pump's bad, but I think it's going to be a winner. I think it's going to be good. I think it's going to get a plane ride back to Georgia. That could be a country and western song. The flying motor takes a plane ride back to Georgia.
Here.
All right, with the flying motor has made it to Boudreaux, and now Tim and his son are headed back to Atlanta. I enjoyed the visit. We had some good Cajun food, and the flying motor is going to get restored. Well, that worked out really well. The flying motor got brought down here by Tim, and I got some backstory for you on that. His son Oren is actually just finished flight training school and is trying to accrue enough hours to be a commercial air pilot. So apparently Tim has an aviation business with several planes, and bringing the motor down here with Oren making the flight gives him more hours, which helps him get his accreditation to do commercial flying. So that's the backstory. So it was awesome. I met some unique people doing this business, and Tim and Oren are certainly two of the most unique. So it all worked out. The flying motor is here for T-Mike to put back into great running shape for Tim, and the story continues. Next video about it will be me in the bayou running it and sending that video to Tim. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.